My name is Valérie Swan and I am a professor in corporate social responsibility and marketing, working at both the Louv12 School of Management in UC Louvain and the ESX School of Management in France. It's my sincere pleasure to have this opportunity to introduce this MOOC on CSR reporting and communication. I hope we will have interesting discussions, debates and exchanges of ideas over the coming weeks. The impact of companies on society and the environment and their parallel potential to address social and environmental challenges constructively all represent critical topics for scholars and practitioners. In this context, many large companies are trying to demonstrate their commitment to CSR by offering clear and verifiable data and submitting to standardized assessment, rather like the measures in traditional financial reports. Encouraging disclosures of such high-quality information can be crucial for making sure decision makers and stakeholders have relevant insights to make their own decisions. Therefore, CSR reporting and communication define our perspective on the CSR process. First, CSR reporting, defined as the process of communicating about the social and environmental effects of organizations' economic actions publicly, helps organizations measure, understand and communicate their environmental, social and governance performance, as well as set their goals and manage changes more effectively. Second, CSR communication refers to a challenging, necessary process that demands a clear understanding of stakeholders, their information needs and available communication channels. This two-way communication between companies and stakeholders should produce mutual understanding and shared values. Thus, CSR communication requires more listening than talking. That feature alone renders it different from conventional communication about products or services. Using these two elements as a foundation, we will address several pertinent questions in this MOOC. How do companies report their activities and performance? What do they include in their reports? What do companies need to do to develop a credible communication policy that avoids CSR washing? How can we, as stakeholders, decode communications shared by companies? By introducing various CSR experts, this MOOC provides a means for leaders, consumers and citizens to gain in-depth critical perspective on CSR reporting and CSR communication. In discussing multi-industry cases, we will define the challenges that leaders face in developing their CSR communication, as well as some meaningful ways to address those challenges. Before getting to the heart of this MOOC, let me thank those who have made it possible. Françoise and Virginie from the Louvain Learning Lab, who are always ready to answer our technical and pedagogical questions. Gregory, our cameraman, in charge of video editing. Pauline, Dennis and Marianne, who contributed to the quality of the work instruction and the discussion forums. The experts, of course, who agreed to share their expertise and experiences in this MOOC. And last but not least, Barbara and Jessica, who advised me throughout the development and implementation of this course and with whom you will have the opportunity to interact on the forums.